tight, KDF 43. Roger that. Staying right on the tail.
All right, check your gear, everybody. Let's move out soon. Roger that. Ready to roll. Check. All right, team, listen up. Objectives are clear. Stay sharp out there. Lock and load. Double check your comms. Let's move. Set it down here. Heavy one. Heavy one. Watch your back. All right, next. All right, next frame. Keep them lined up with the stakes. Holding it steady. We need the fabric over here. Roger, bring it up. Keep it steady. Watch your step, man. Let's go. Stay focused. Almost there, just a little further. We need to move the shelter to the southwest corner, quickly. All right, team, perimeter first. Move to sectors 3 and 4 immediately. Roger that. And grab those bundles, no hesitations, let's go. Surgical kit here. Find the clamps, right here. Grab some gauze too. Line them up on the right. Copy that, moving now. Hand me that bracket. Secure that joint now. Copy that, moving into position. Boxes off the truck, everyone, move it. Lift it together, push it up. Tension on the right. Secure the stakes now. Good, hold it there. Line it up. Push it in. Got it. Keep guiding it up on your side. Check the gauges, adjusting the pressure now. That's it, looking good. It's almost fully taut. The structure feels solid, good to go. Copy that. Let's check the next section. Keep it tight on the corners. More air, we need more air here. Secure the entrance. Moving in. Watch the step. Copy. All right, over here, move it inside. Okay, got it. Hold that corner. And watch your step on the mat. Let's get the mat over here. Keep pushing it this way. Got it, looks good. Needs to go down just a bit. Right. Copy that. Grab that box for me. Next fixture goes 2 feet down. Roger that.
Roger that.
Okay, power is connected.
Yeah.
Lights are on. Need to twist it. Got it. Secure the valves first. Got it. Watch your step on the gravel. Copy.
T-standing 676, 720 out of sight, let's work.
Cable check complete.
Monitor initializing.
Sensor connectivity confirmed.
SPO2 is reading 98.
Good, steady rhythm.
The lamp is centered.
Check the monitor readings.
It's showing ready now, good to go. The hospital is fully operational.
Check all vitals monitors. Everything is ready.
Ventilators.
Ventilators are checked. Supplies accounted for. They should be here any minute.
Check the oxygen.
Oxygen levels on this monitor.
Verified. Move to the next station.
Inbound, condition critical.
Copy that, we're ready. Open it, quickly.
Go, go, go!
Watch the head. Keep it steady. Watch your step.
Hurry up!
Almost there, just keep moving.
Keep him steady.
Clear that bed! Watch the IV. Moving in.
Inhale deeply for me, sir. Just hold on. Keep your arm still for me, please.
Thank you, Specialist.
All right, all done. Just keep that arm still.
The heart rate is critical. What's our next move?
Considering the drop in saturation, we need to administer atropine immediately.
Agreed. Get it ready.
On it.
Hand me the clamps.
Vitals are stable.
Cable secure. Let's run a diagnostic test.
Checking vitals now, doctor.
Patient is stable. I'm just going to check this area. Just breathe easy for me. Is everything all right?
Keep it steady. Look for the fluid pocket. Right there, just under the rib. I see it. Get ready to suction.
Keep him breathing. Clear a bed.
Move it now!
Patient secure. Heading to the trauma bay. Keep him stable.
Paige, Dr. Evans, we need more hands.
Responding well to antibiotics. Heart rate stabilizing. Keep monitoring. Copy that, Smith. Patient 5 needs a refill.
The oxygen saturation is improving.
Adjusting the flow slightly.
Good, keep monitoring him.
Vitals are stable. Pressure is holding at 110/70.
Good. Let's keep him monitored.
Copy.
All right, team. 10 minutes. Copy that.
Got it.
Keep scrubbing. This one's clean. Almost done here. All right, cable's disconnected here. Hand them over. It's full. Next. All right, that bolt's loose. Bring the case closer. Checking the wire connections now. Main unit shut down. Copy that. Powering mine off now. Check. Cables accounted for. Prepare for storage. Line it up. Straighten the edge. Ready? Go. All right, let's get this heavy one up.
Okay.
Okay, got it. Hold steady. Push it in there. Good. Now, all right, putting this one down. Got it. Watch that corner. I have the cardboard box here. Keep it steady. There's another bump ahead. Got it. Eyes on the horizon.